What's up everybody, I'm Jay Ray. In today's video, I want to try to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've got my 2003 quad cab pickup with the Cummins engine in it. What I want to do for my 03 quad cab is take that old center console and I want to make it into a sliding center seat. So I'm going to take the original center console and the original passenger seat there that I've got, and I'm going to take the sliders off the passenger seat and I'm going to attempt to create a sliding center console slash seat. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the sliding rails off the old passenger seat. The next thing I'm going to try to do is cut these brackets off because they're no longer going to line up with the holes for the seat because we're not using them in the same spot. So what I'm going to do, I've got this clamped down in my pipe vise here. I'm going to try to use my porta band to cut the rivets that are holding this in place, and hopefully that'll work. If not, I'll have to figure out something else. Now the bracket's a little bit too wide, so I'm going to make one more cut here on this supporting piece that goes between the two sides so that I can make it narrower, and then I'm going to see if I can just bend the middle bar so that I don't have to cut it. Now that I got the bracket apart, I've got my two side pieces spaced where I want them. So I'm going to go ahead and weld this piece in the center back together so that it'll be nice and sturdy. And then we'll go ahead and see what else we need to do to make this fit onto our center console. So it's been a little while since I messed with this, but here's the current condition of this seat. Building the sliding center console seat, and I've got the brackets installed on the seat itself. I've got it welded here to the frame of the seat. I've got the frame for the new sliding rails welded on there, and I think we're about ready to go ahead and put it in the truck and see what it's going to look like. Okay, so this is a position where the seat is going to be once it's fully installed. I don't have it installed yet, it's just sitting in here to show you what it's going to look like. Of course the seat bottom is a little higher than the passenger and driver seat, but that's okay because that'll give a little bit more leg room for somebody who is sitting in that seat. And also with the handle here, you'll be able to pull that handle and slide the seat back, so that gives just a little bit more room for someone that's sitting in the front seat and wants to sit in the middle. So there's the center console with it folded down. I'm not bolting it in this video. I'm going to have to do a little bit more work before I can get it permanently installed in here. I also got to figure out how I'm going to mount the seat belt and make that work properly. So be on the lookout for part 2 of the sliding center seat slash console. I'm Jay Ray. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content from my channel.